Starting care with a new doctor, whether it's for yourself or your child, can feel overwhelming when you don't know what to expect. So, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens before, during, and after your first visit, step by step. Zero surprises. And honestly, it's simpler than most people expect. Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Dody from Dody Chiropractic Center for Wholeness in Littleton, serving individuals and families across the Denver metro area. Not medical advice, just showing you the process so you know exactly what you're walking into. The process actually starts before you walk through our doors. To save you time, we send you 2 quick emails that you can handle from home. The first gets you set up with our secure intake forms. That's your general health history and patient portal for scheduling, and that just takes a few minutes. The second is for your brain map questionnaires. Just a few short forms to help us understand what you're experiencing day to day. These become a part of your brain map report. Here's the key. You can do them from wherever. If you're on your couch, whatever works for you. If you don't get them done, that's okay. We can help you finish them here. It just adds about 15 minutes, so doing them ahead of time saves you time. When you arrive, Emily will greet you at the front desk and get you comfortable. You don't need to bring anything special, of course, yourself and your child, but otherwise nothing else. And I'll come out and say hi, and then we'll get started right away with the most important part. So first, we do our nervous system scans to see if the body's stuck in stress mode. We run 3 quick scans. So in plain English, we're checking stress response, muscle tension, and temperature patterns. These all take about 10 minutes, and they're completely painless. Nothing's going into the body. We're just taking readings from the body with gentle sensors on the skin. Most people are genuinely surprised at how easy it is. Next, we do the brain map. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes, but here's the thing. Most of that time is set up. The actual recording is just a few minutes. We place comfortable sensors on the scalp to record brainwave activity. Nothing goes into the brain. We're simply listening to what it's already doing naturally. Now, if you're thinking, there's no way my child will sit for this, or even, I'm pretty restless myself, I get it. We work with wiggly kids and restless adults every single day. We can have you or your child watch something. We'll coach you through it, and we can take quick breaks if needed. Most people do way better than they expect. We keep it moving. This is where we actually see the patterns behind focus struggles, anxiety, sleep issues, mood, or brain fog, instead of just guessing. Once the scans are done, we head back into my office for a focus exam. I want to see how the body is moving and where there might be tension affecting the nervous system. Then we do a first gentle, specific chiropractic adjustment using our KST style with the arthrostim instrument. We do this on day 1 for support, familiarity, and to start that natural healing process. We want you to feel what it's like before you decide to do any next steps. With KST and the arthrostim, there's absolutely no twisting, popping, or cracking. It's incredibly gentle, and most people say, that was it? I want you or your child to leave thinking, that was fine, I can do this. That comfort is what makes everything else work. At the end of your visit, you'll naturally be wondering, what did you find? Can you help? Here's my honest answer. I may have initial impressions, but I don't give final answers until I've reviewed everything carefully. I need time to sit down and analyze the brain map data, review the nervous system scans, and go through your questionnaires, so I can give you real, accurate answers instead of rushing to conclusions. Before you leave, we'll schedule your report of findings visit. That's your next appointment. At that visit, we'll answer 4 specific questions. What actually is going on? I'll walk you through your real scans and brain maps. Can we help? What would it take? That's your customized plan details. And what would the investment look like? You'll have everything you need to make the best decision for yourself or your family. No pressure, no surprises. This is the exact sequence most families follow. Consult first, then the first visit, then the report of findings, so you always know what's next. If you already have your consult scheduled, great. This will make your first visit feel easy. If you haven't taken that step yet, click the link below to schedule your free 15-minute doctor consult. It's by video or phone, and your child doesn't need to be on the call. We'll talk you through what's going on and what I'd recommend. Next, watch how long does it take. the frequency, and what to expect video. It'll break down exactly how busy families make this work and why consistency makes the difference. Go watch that next. I'll see you there.